Wake the town and tell the people. Yard style family. Are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Morning, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. I want to say a happy new year to you all. Merry belated Christmas. Hope you all have been enjoying the festive season, the holidays and all of that. For me myself, I've been very busy with my work and some other stuff that I had to take care of. I know I should be posting the video with the cook up for the goat, but unfortunately didn't get to make that Christmas dinner because of work. I had to work. Yeah, so what I'm going to do today, I have some fish that I had from a long time, so I'm going to do something like in the jungle, you know, something different. So stay tuned. I'm going to go into the jungle right now. I'm going to find some things that I'm going to use in this video, so stay tuned for the action. All right? Yeah, man. Alright now people, so I try to find a piece of bamboo, a nice fat piece. Yeah. Yeah man, I try to find one nice fat bamboo you can actually use with as my pot to do the cook up, you know? Yeah man. Yeah, piece of this I have to work with. See it here? Yeah. ground wet.
The ground wet, so I pad them nice when the fire catch. The fire will catch easy because it's not cold. So after the fire catch, it will warm up the ground back. Enjoy. So we have buffer them small one.
First one feel me.
More sitting down. the people, so we call them a bird pepper. Some people call them chili pepper. Mash it with the
Barely remember now.
Yeah, peeps, so we call these guinea grass. We use this to wash plate. Yeah, so all who come from the countryside will know. Get these, we fold it.
rinse it out with some fresh water now. Yeah, people see there.
Alright now people, so them 3 fisher. We are going to roast them, but we are roast them in a different style now. Get them rinsed off. So we not scale them and we not gut them. We just going to roast them and show you how it come out after we finish roast them, alright? Yeah. Alright, so we have put them on the fire now. You know what this is. Yeah. Goat mullet and moonshine snapper. Yeah. Put them more over so. Right, what you do and spray. Yeah man, so we are giving the first turn, you know. So them look already quick and fast. Alright now people see it with the scale and everything, so you just go like this, peel it off, and you see the flesh, all of the flesh. Yeah man, well nice and steam. Look at this now. Just flesh. Look. Well nice. Natural. This one is natural. No seasoning, nothing at all, you know. And the reason why we not take out the gut, that give it a flavor as well. So yeah man, most time when we are on the seaside and we catch no fish, that kind of style that we do. Yeah. So we are going to have them here while the fish are steam. Yeah. Quiet and nice, yeah man.
Man, so we are check pan here now. Yeah, it take time to go on, you know. So all the butter then melt out and thing and the fish take time to cook. Slow, but yeah, surely, you know, slowly but surely. Fire low and nice. Yeah, man. Hot. Look at them. Circulate everything, you know, over the fish. Real nice. Alright now people, so I put a couple of crackers them in there now. Whole heap can't go whole still, but I put what can hold in there.
Get beer in a hundred. Mission time, you know.
Suppose I drop with you, man.
Mad.
Smell good.
Smell piggy.
Yeah, good effort.
Crackers with twiggy, you know. Crackers with deers. Dr. Fisher skin up. Pretty good. Well cooked. Dr. Fish. The whale skin up in a plate.
The Dr. videos.
Moonshine now. Moonshine for days.
I see much of it now.
Sauce. And my belly, what you mean, where it a go?
Now
My belly it a go. No, nah, that's way. I drink everything.
the sucker that I get eat, you know. Yeah, little boy if he eat moonshine snapper. A big man eat that catfish. Yes, people. See what I go on. What Twiggy I go on with.
If me are going that way, you are going with.
Nice. People, Dr. Fish yours. See pepper, yeah? Put 2 pepper in here. Get a flavor as well. Yeah, man. Did you talk video with me and go eat now, man? Moonshine snapper Twiggy are going there now.
Moonshine and crackers with days. Easy first, man. I'm also like, you know, I'm tasty.
Tender.
I will put my nice one.
Butter and seasoning. Nice, man.
Yeah, I'm not done. I'm going to buy it, you know.
About the palm one on there, and when you come in the bush, you and see fireside and kind of you wonder what go on. Trouble. What I bad, bro. Put them again. Funny.
Doctor, video I put up a
Doctor.
mash up everything. The way I put it into the direct, it is.
This alone, can you imagine people say this a full my belly? The one fish and the crackers, how much crackers? A
You
three.
know how nice, I full it, I smell your belly.
Smell full my belly? Oh, smell full my belly? So if me hungry, I can just go smell some food and my belly full. You mad? I crack of them.
I didn't time you get drunk.
Crackers them, man. Pull up my belly. One way would that turn out so nice, you know?
Looking nice.
Nice bud.
strong part, you know.
Yeah?
That is strong part of food.
Yeah, that's you that you never eat the food.
Done. Check out what I go on in the pot, people. What I go on in the pot there. Look at Dr. Fish bone. Now people, the thing with this method of cooking, you can't really turn up no high fire on it. You have to just cook it slow. And the high fire will burn out the bamboo. And your food drop to the bottom. We did turn up one fire pan one at a time. And it start burn, so we have to like out down back the fire, you know? So look at the back. You can see it did a burn. But you never burn all the way through. Not empty now, you know?
So me cook them.
Nice, man. You're afraid. Alright. Clean, we are clean up and ready for left, you know. We are carry back with garbage. And we scraper. Very nice. No damage your food, baby. Clean up after ourselves, you know. Little water and little drinks. You want drinks?
Yeah, no, mix it.
Chew water,
Some
man.
milk now.
We have to share, you know. A little bit of drinks and a little bit of water left. So we have mix up in. Eat there. The drinks are now come like it fresh.
No matter. You can't drink everything sweet every day.
I'm not lying. Cheers.
Me let you go, yeah, man.
Nicer than before, man.
Oh, God. Like you have no drinks in there.
Nice.
But maybe you are eating.
Alright now people, so we come to the end of a wonderful day. It was more like a chill day where we just there, so we find a nice little spot with a view and we just decide say we are going to cook 2 little fish around here, so yeah. So me and Twiggy out here today and we did the cook up. The food was great. Actually it turned out better than me expect. if it turn out and really enjoy it. I know my belly full. Yeah man, so people, always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. And we have some great contents coming. Yeah man, so you know the holiday and the rush and all of that is over now. So you're gonna see a lot more videos coming out. Alright, so for now, hit the thumbs up button, share, like, comment and subscribe. Alright, so we're gonna head on back out now. So catch you on the next one.
Janko beat them, you know. You see when you look at youth, you see what a rasta that beat. Janko beat and put them in a body and make shake. We get the small body then, we call it packy. And we use them and make shaker. Rasta man and not drum and we a shaker. Come in some small bites. Drop it. Come shake. I want to know be a 1-2 we have your account over there. 1-2. And not drum over there, and not drum. Boom and not drum and make hockey party and then sitting there. Yeah, man. And we are shake over that and I'm a beat drum.
Thank you.